everyone, my name is Yan and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two co-hosts. This is...
My name is Sophia.
And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
And what grade are you in?
I'm in 3rd grade. I'm about to go into 4th grade.
Okay, and what's your name?
I'm Savannah.
And how old are you?
5.
5, and what grade are you in?
This school doesn't have any.
That's a trick question, huh? Because you haven't started school yet. But you're gonna start kindergarten, right? In August, if school ever opens back up. Which brings us back to our topic. We know that everyone's stuck at home for quite a long time now, and all the kiddies are getting really bored. Especially with summer coming up, we're all trying to figure out what to do. So we decided to start a new series called Cooking with Kids. In this new series, we'll introduce new recipes that are easy to make with kids. When this video launches, it will be National Donuts Day. So we thought it's the perfect opportunity to make air fryer donuts that the kids can decorate. Does that sound like a good plan to you?
Yes!
Yes!
Yes? Okay. Everyone's excited? Without further ado, let's get started. This air fryer donuts recipe is really easy because we're using a store-bought ingredient as our main ingredient for donuts, which are biscuit doughs. So these are really easy to be found. You can find these in any kind of brands. We're just gonna use these as our donuts. Sound good? Because you guys just want to decorate, right? And eat. Alright, so we're gonna start by opening these biscuits. Our hands are clean, right? We all wash our hands?
Yes.
Okay.
Very important.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
Anything found?
Ooh. Oh, wow.
Yeah. You want to break these up into little pieces for me?
Okay.
Savannah, you want to help me take
3
this out?
and
So take
4.
one piece off on top. Put it there.
This is very easy.
It's very easy. We want it to be easy, right? We want it
Easy recipes.
Okay, so now we're going to cut donut holes in here. So we're going to take our cookie cutter.
If we can open it.
Let's see what size. I think we should do this size or this size?
I can't see anything.
This size? Or that size? Probably that size, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're quite small.
We are going to use this really small, what is it, a cookie cutter? We're going to use this very small cookie cutter. Okay, so all we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to do this and you guys are going to do this after, okay?
Okay.
We're going to place this on the center of the donut, press it down, do a little twist, and there's your little donut hole. And we'll save this on the side, okay?
We can make donut hole.
We'll give these to Daddy. Okay,
Donut.
you want to do one?
Okay.
Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Push all the way down, twist.
Oh, my
Careful.
hand's slippery. Okay, and pull it back up.
Oh, have you
Make sure you
ever
press
done that?
all the way down as hard as you can and then twist. There you go, and then pop it out.
Get out.
Okay, you want to do another one?
Can I try?
Yep. Did you do that one? You can do that next one, okay?
Here's some.
You want to try, Savannah? Let's try to put in the middle, which I think will be right around here. Ooh! Now, press down as hard as you can. Put your hand on top of here so you can see, yep. Okay, now twist, twist, and then pull it out. There you go. Now pop it out. Cool.
Mine has
Save that
tiny
here.
We're gonna fry this in the air fryer at 350 degrees for between 5 to 6 minutes, and we want to flip them halfway. So what we're gonna do is take it out and grease the bottom of our air fryer. So shake this up, which is like a butter blend. We don't need too much, just a little bit. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna place just as many donuts as we can fit without it overlapping. So I think we can only fit about 3 here. Yep. Let me fit 4. Let me see if we can fit 4. If we can fit 4, then we can do 2 rounds. Yep, we can fit 4 donuts here. These 4 are going to go into the air fryer, not the oven. Set this to 350 degrees for, we're going to do 2.5 minutes so we can flip over for the other 2.5 minutes. So I'll do 3 minutes. While this is going, let's make our glaze. So the glaze is ready as soon as our donuts are done, right? So for the glaze, I have here 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Sophie Savannah, can you pour in 1/4 cup of water in here?
I thought
Pour
that
around.
was flour.
This is
I
powdered
gotta
sugar.
do
Here,
that.
hold this on top. You want to pour it around like this.
All of
That
it.
looks so
All
weird.
of it. And then Sophie, can you do 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla in here?
Oh!
Put that in. That's okay.
Vanilla's right there.
That's okay. And then, Sophie, Mommy, I'm going to get this started because I don't want to get a mess everywhere, but you're going to help me finish, okay?
Okay.
So we just
Smells
want to
good.
stir this so that the powdered sugar melts into our water. And that's just your basic glaze for your donuts. Oh wait, you're supposed to finish. Why am I still going? So keep stirring. And then we also have here some candy melts and some chocolate that we want to melt so we can drizzle on top as more decoration, also additional flavor. I'm just gonna go pop over to the microwave and get these candy melts and chocolate melted. For the candy melts, you don't have to add anything. For the chocolate, you may need to add a little bit of milk. So we'll have some milk here. You don't need very much. I would say maybe just about a tablespoon, just so it has a little bit of liquid to work with.
Or you could just eyeball it.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I will be right back. 3 minutes has passed. Let's see how these donuts are doing. Ooh, they have puffed up nicely, huh? And I'm just going to flip them over. I didn't bring utensils, of course. Let's use a spoon and just kind of quickly flip them over. Yep, they can definitely use a little bit more time. So let's flip them and then we'll do
So that we can cook.
probably, let's do another 3 minutes and see what happens in 3 minutes. Let's be another 3 minutes. Let's see our donuts. Ooh, look at them.
Very
They're
puffy.
nice and puffy and golden. I think they can go a little bit longer. So we're going to flip them one more time. And we're gonna cook them.
Our holes have gotten very small.
350 again. For another, let's do 3 more minutes and see how they do.
Okay.
All right, let's now take a look at the donuts. Ooh, now they're looking nice and golden brown. I think they are good. Nice and crispy. We're gonna put them on our cookie sheet to cool down. And then we're gonna do our second batch. This time I'm going to do 350 still, but I'm going to do 4 minutes. Actually, I'm going to do 5 minutes on one side and then check halfway. For the glaze, very easy. We're just going to take the donut and dip one side down, dip the other side. And we're going to put the finished donut on this tray right here for it to start dripping down. This is where if you want just to sprinkles on this is a good stage to do so because the sprinkles will stick to the sugar. If you want to drizzle some candy melts, we have some candy melts we made. It's a little bit thick, so for candy melts you can do like this. Back and forth. That. Okay? And then you can get the candy melts. and there you have it. Really easy air fried donuts. How do they taste? They good? Are they crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside? Yeah. They sweet? They look plenty sweet. They look overly sweet. Are they yummy? Okay, so I think this was a fun first episode for cooking up with kids, right? Should we do this every week? Okay, so if you like this video, please give us a like. Please comment below what kind of recipes you want us to make next time. Until next time, I hope you and your family are happy, safe, and healthy, and also not bored, right? All right, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
I'm eating my donut.
You're eating a donut, okay. Dipping some chocolate. Yes. Chocolate donut holes.
I made a pretty color.
We will launch every Friday with...
Do I close the curtains? I'm gonna close the curtains.
Okay.
Nah, what the heck?
Sorry guys, our dog barking.
Our dog barking.
Sorry.